V is for van, zoom, 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 driving through streets on the move with 4 strong wheels and plenty of space. Vans teach us to move with pace. Let's write the letter V, join the fun. Let's learn the alphabet with everyone. Capital V with 2 lines that meet, lowercase v with a point so neat. V is for van, zoom, 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 learning letters, we're on the move. The van drives through town on a busy street with a horn that honks, it's hard to beat. With room for many, it takes us far. Vans teach us to travel and reach for the stars. The letter V is in your ABCs, let's sing it together. 1, 2, 3. Capital V with 2 lines that meet, lowercase v with a point so neat. V is for van, zoom, 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 learning letters, we're on the move. Vans go where the road is clear, let's write the letter V and give a cheer. Write it down, it's easy to see. The letter V is next in our ABCs. Capital V with 2 lines that meet, lowercase v with a point so neat. V is for van, zoom, 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 learning letters, we're on the move. Capital V with 2 lines that meet, lowercase v with a point so neat. V is for van, zoom, 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 learning letters, we're on the move.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.